Hello everyone, welcome to Bhadra Academy. Today in this short video, we are just going to discuss the latest news which is making a lot of rounds and making a lot of buzz. What is the news? Government of India announced a new thing called One Nation, One Subscription. Okay, so we have a lot of One Nation related topic like One Nation, One Market, what do we call GST? Yeah, One Nation, One Tax called GST. So now in this One Nation series, we have a One Nation, One Subscription. It is called ONOS. Okay, so what is this? One Nation, One Subscription scheme क्या है? इस स्कीम में गवर्नमेंट बोल रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट will provide access to students, research scholar, that means PhD students, research scholar and faculty who are teaching in universities and colleges. They will get access to online journals and research papers and research articles. Okay, so that is the meaning of One Nation, One Subscription. So you make only one subscription, you will get access to, what are the important thing? You will get access to international high impact scholarly research articles as well as what we say journals which are there. So those who are doing research and analysis and PhD and etc., for them this is going to be a huge game changer. So what is this scheme is all about? Basically, as I told you, there are so many research magazines are available in the world, but we are not able to read them. Why? We have to subscribe and purchase them, which is very expensive. But now government is going to put all these research papers together and give access. That is the important point. Clear? Now coming to who will be getting access to this kind of a material. So this access will be given to basically those students who are studying in colleges and universities, yeah, those who are professors teaching and those who are doing research, that means PhD or postdoctoral study etc. इन लोगों के लिए क्या होगा? ये सब available होगा. So this is basically available to higher education institutions of India. But important point to remember, this will not be available to private universities. Like suppose you are in Assam, you are studying in Royal Global University, you will not get access to this. But if you are studying in Guwahati University, you will get access to this. समझ में आ गया? That means what? Only those institutions which are maintained by either central government or state government, only those government colleges, university, research center will get this access facility. Okay, so that is the thing. The One Nation, One subscription, students will be able to get this kind of access to online facility. Okay, so now what does the government say? ये जो facility है इसमें 30 major international journals will be linked and also 13,000 e-journals will be available for students and more than 6,300 government run higher education institution will benefit. Okay, so that is the basic concept of this. Now who will look after this? It will be done by one organization. What do we call this organization? That's the Information and Library Network. So these journals will be provided by the Information and Library Network. It is an autonomous inter-university center of the UGC. Okay, the UGC maintains it. They will make this available. So the government of India has kept aside 6,000 crore for the next 3 years, 2025, 2026, 2027 for this central sector scheme. That means totally the money will be spent by government of India. Okay, so now according to another news which I found in the Hindustan Times, it says that ये जो नया स्कीम आएगा ये जनवरी से स्टार्ट होगा. So not yet started, it is going to be launched from January 2025. So आने वाला prelims exam के लिए ये एक important चीज हो सकता है. And also it will benefit 18 million students. That means 1 crore 80 lakh students can benefit such a ऑप्शंस आल्सो आपको एग्जाम में आ सकता है. So based on that, I am giving you one question for MCQ. The Union Cabinet approved One Nation, One Subscription scheme in November 2024. Is it right or wrong? So the first option is right. It will provide nationwide access to international high impact scholarly research articles. Yes. It will be available to all the students of all the higher educational institution. No. As I told you, this will be available only to government, either center or state government run institution. The scheme is set to take effect in January 2025. Yes. So what should be the right answer? 1, 2 and 4. Okay. So the right answer for this will be 1, 2 and 4, option number D. Why? As I told you, this scheme will be available only for central government या state government या central government का run research institution. It will not be available to all the colleges and all the students. Therefore, the right answer will be answer D. Clear? So keep following our videos of Bhadra IAS, and we will keep coming with new topics which are relevant for your exam. And in the next video, we will discuss some other current topic which will be useful for the upcoming prelims preparation. Thank you.